people. How y'all doing? I'm trying to. Oh Lord, I don't know if this gonna work. We eat all that beef, all that meat product. We putting everything in our bodies, but it's time to do something for the body to help get all that cleansing so you can feel marvelous. With lemon, water, a quarter cup of baking soda I already put in here. Now a quarter size of baking soda. Just a quarter size. Now let me see. Am I gonna be able to cut this lemon? Do this for 5 days, and you gonna feel fabulous. Fabulous. Maybe the first day after you take it. I got the cutting knife. Cut a half of the lemon. Yeah, I'm in the car. Actually, I was at the store and I said, I want to do this for y'all. We're going to be fabulous together. We're going to get this together. Squeeze that lemon juice. I got it in this case because I'm not at home. So I cleaned out that just so I can pour it in here because I knew I was not going to be able